Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are taking a look at XRP here on the daily time frame. As we can see, we have just very cleanly been working the Fibonacci levels for a good little while now, to be honest. I mean, it's very obvious when you draw your fib on. Obviously, I've got my Fibonacci drawn from the previous bull market high, although we do have an all-time high back here that is larger. As you can see, if we just remove that previous all-time high Fibonacci, you can see the fib here is drawn from the bull market high down to the current low of the bear market, although it does look a little bit out of place. There we go. And as we can see, we have just been basically working these Fibonacci levels like a beast, haven't we? This big bear market resistance we were stuck under for such a long time for XRP, with that big bullish news about the Ripple case essentially getting pretty much sorted out and finalised, with Ripple coming out fairly unscathed. That's probably going to be completely settled over, I would imagine, the next, what we're looking at, probably the next year. Realistically, these things go on for such a long time, don't they? It's kind of insane. When you look at how long these things take, you realise just how ridiculously, crazy the oversight by the SEC has been recently. But anyway, I digress. On the chart, you can see we had that huge pump up to the 618 Fibonacci, perfectly touching it, before having a massive dump all the way down to the 023 Fibonacci, where we found this previous bear market resistance as support. You can see quite clearly if you take a look at this chart and this bear market resistance, it's basically just a break and a retest here, followed by retest of this previous resistance as support. Very good to see indeed. This is on the daily time frame, by the way. And as you can see, a back test of that 023 Fibonacci level here as well. Came up to the next level here, which was this resistance we've been stuck under all bear market, which used to be that previous support at around 55 cents. Finally broke out above it, broke beyond the 038 Fibonacci as well, getting above this 200-day moving average. Pretty nice as well. Actually, I think this is the 100-day moving average actually. And guess what? Where we get all the way up to the 050, touched it, and then retraced all the way back down to the previous Fibonacci level after getting a bit overextended in this run that we saw here. And as you can see, looking like we have just cooled off. RSI is at 50 and basically at support right now, waiting for probably another leg up. Realistically speaking, you can see I've got this huge green arrow here indicating some more upside is likely, and I've been calling for this for a good while. People have been saying that I'm talking absolute nonsense and XRP is never going to move again, but it's very likely that most cryptos are going to pump in the coming bull market, and we've seen evidence of this already on the cards realistically, haven't we? You can see XRP here. If you look at the weekly time frame, it's just a very simple break and retest. It's not difficult really, is it? Just draw your line in, your big fat bear market resistance line. You get your breakout, you come down, you back test, and then you continue to the upside, knowing that we're most likely going to have another bull market where we see things continue to the upside. And that's exactly what's happening with XRP. It's just breaking, retesting, and now looking like it might have that next leg up towards that local swing high area. If we can come up, break this level here, we'll probably be heading up to that 618 and that fabled $1 area, which we haven't touched for, when was the last time we touched $1? 2 years. Very interesting to see what'll happen next for XRP. Overall, this chart looks really bullish to me. There's no way that you can really deny, in my opinion, how bullish this chart is. And we've obviously got some nice Fibonacci extensions. One up here at around $22. That would be pretty insane from the current price. Probably around, what is that, 30, 40x? That would be fairly silly, I think. But I do think $10-ish is a very realistic price target. And if you look at the Fibonacci from the previous all-time high down to that previous swing low, overall you can see obviously we've got a nice $8 127 extension. Got the 141 at around 13, and then that $27 level that a lot of people are looking for up here. That would take a lot of people's bags into the millions, I'm guessing. A lot of people out there holding a lot of XRP for the long term. I am bullish on this project. I do think it's going to do very well. ISO 2022 has just dropped as well. Very interesting to see what will happen next. This chart overall is looking pretty bullish to me. I think the next step that we're going to see, provided that Bitcoin doesn't shit itself, is some more upside. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content. Really leave a comment down below and check back every day for a new video. Really appreciate all your support. Also, make sure to go down below, join the free Discord. It's totally free. Or if you want a bit more insight into the markets, you can join the private part of the Discord by becoming a YouTube member. Just do that through YouTube as you normally would with the join button. Otherwise, please go down below and sign up to the free Discord, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.